Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio AQS810. And yes, I have made another video for the basic settings for the time, date, and so on. And in this video, we will cover all aspects that is possible. So okay, first, let's get to the timekeeping mode. And yeah, you can press the mode button several times until you get the high tone or high pitch beeping sound. That one. And you can also press and hold the mode button to get to the timekeeping mode, like that one. Okay, next you can change the view for this one, for the digital display, by pressing this one, the search button. So now it shows day and second. This one is month, date, and second. And maybe it's a bit confusing, like 140 or something. No, it is September the 1st, and the second is 45, 46, and so on. And yes, this one is the hour, minute, and second, so you can use this one to select whichever you want. Okay, next let's set the time and date, and first let's start with the hands alignment. And to do that, press and hold the adjust button, okay, until it shows, okay, still hold until it shows this one, edge set, okay, and then release. And then after that you will be able to set the hand alignment. So this one is already okay, but if it is a bit to the left or a bit to the right, you can use this one, the light button and the search button, to move the hand so that it point out to the 0 hour or 12 o'clock position. Okay, and yeah, if you're done setting the hands alignment, then press the adjust button and it will save the hands alignment and return to the current time. Okay, next let's set the time and date, and to do that, press and hold the adjust button, okay, and it shows ATJ, and then release the adjust button, okay, and it is now showing PKK, the time zone or the city. You can change this one using these buttons. So this one will move to the west, and this one will move to the east side of the map. Okay, I will use PKK, same time zone as my city now. Okay, press again the mode button, and now we are moving to this one, the daylight saving. You can activate or deactivate using this one, on or off, okay, using the search button. And then press the mode button, and now is the time format. You can use this one to change to 12 hour or 24 hour format. Press the mode button, and now is the second. You can reset the second using the search button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, and if it is 29 or less, like this one, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now is the hour. You can use these two buttons. So this one will decrease like counterclockwise, and this one is clockwise, so increase. Okay, next mode button, and that is the minute. Same thing, decrease, increase using these two buttons. Mode button, and now is the year. Same thing, this button will decrease and this button will increase. Okay, mode button, and now is the month. Same thing with the two buttons, and then mode button again, and now is the date. And yeah, same thing using these two buttons. Okay, again, and now is the key tone. So if you want the watch to have a mute button operation or silent button operation, you can press this one so it shows mute, but if not, then yeah, just let it shows this one, key tone. Okay, and I will use this one. Press again the mode button, and now is the LT for the backlight, the afterglow 3, meaning that the backlight will be active for 3 seconds. And press the search button to change to 1, so whichever you want. This is shorter, meaning it will also save the battery, but this one will gives you a longer backlight. So let me just use 1, and then press the mode button, and now is the language of the day of the week. So there are several options, and yes, you can use the search button to change, or also this one, the light button, but I will just choose this one or use this one, English, and done. If you press the mode button, you will return to the city selection, and yeah, press the adjust button to save the setting, and you're done with setting the time and date for this watch. Okay, next, press the mode button. We are moving to the next mode, and that is this one, this is the indicator for the battery power. So this one means high power, so a good indicator that the battery has high power. Okay, now let's move on to the next mode. Press the mode button, and this one is the world time. You can use the search button to change or to switch between the city, okay, like this. And yes, if you want to use the daylight saving for that city, so for example this one, you can press and hold the adjust button, and the daylight saving will be active for that city. Okay, and if you want to deactivate, just the same thing, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and yeah, that's all for the world time. And then press again the mode button. We are moving to the alarm. So there are 5 alarms here, 5, and signal, the hourly signal or hourly chime. So let me show you how to set alarm, and I will use alarm number 1. So yeah, let's say I want to set this as a wake up alarm at 5:30 in the morning. So to do that, press and hold the adjust button on the top left. Okay, and then let's set this one as 5. This is the hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So same thing, using these 2 buttons. The light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, press the mode button, and now is the minute. Again, the search button will increase and the light button will decrease. Okay, and yeah, if you're done with setting this one, then press the adjust button to save. Okay, so now alarm number 1 is active for 5:30 in the morning. Anyway, if you want to deactivate this alarm, you can press the adjust button once like this, so not press and hold but just press. So for example, if you want to deactivate the morning alarm for weekend, then yeah, just press like this and it is now off for alarm number 1. And if you want to activate again, just press like this. Okay, now let's just set as active. And then yeah, alarm number 2, 3, 4, and 5 also the same method. You can do it by yourself. And then this one is the hourly signal or chime. You can activate by pressing this one, the adjust button. Okay, so now the signal is on, meaning you get beeping sound every changing of the hour, and this one is off. So let me just set as on. Okay, and then yeah, that's all for the alarm. And one more thing, you can also set or use the sound check for the alarm, and to do that, press this one, the search button, and hold. So not just press, and it will give the sound check beeping sound. Okay, and that's all for the alarm. Now press the mode button and we are moving to the countdown timer. For this one, this watch has 2 countdown timer, and you can set also the number of repeats. So let's just set press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and now is for the countdown timer number 1. You can set, let's say I want to set this one as 3 minutes, and then the second countdown timer is 5 minutes. So this one, let's say 3 minutes. Okay, like this, and then press mode button, it will move to the second. Okay, for the first countdown timer, press again the mode button, and now is the minute for the second countdown timer. So let's say I want to set as 5. Okay, press the mode button, and now is the second, so we'll leave this one as 0. And then press again the mode button, and now is the number of the repeat for those 2 timers. So let's say I want to set as 3 times. Okay, so we have 3 times of 2 interval timers. Okay, and then press the mode button, and we're back to setting the minute of the first countdown timer. So if you're done with the setting, press adjust and done. Now you can use this one to run the countdown timer. And yeah, to stop or pause, use also the search button, and to reset, use the adjust button. Okay, next, this is the stopwatch mode, and yeah, you can use the search button to start and stop like this, or continue and stop and reset using the adjust button. Okay, and you can also use the stopwatch for split time. So this one, start and adjust button to split. Okay, and then to continue, use the adjust button again, and yeah, something like that. And if you want to stop the stopwatch, press the search button and then reset using the adjust button. Okay, and now, yeah, that will covers all of the setting and operation of this watch, Casio AQS810. And yeah, one more thing, you can also do the LCD check of this watch by pressing these three buttons at the same time: adjust, mode, and search. So you might want to hold the watch in this position. And yes, this is the LCD check screen. Press the search button and it will show this one, the code. Okay, and yeah, one more time. Okay, now is the timekeeping view. And yes, that's all for the settings and operations of this watch, Casio AQS810. I hope I didn't miss any point of the explanation, and if you have anything to add, please put in the comment below. It will be very helpful for all of us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.